Welcome back to It Started with Sawdust. This episode handles the Impact Gold Ultramagnetic Torsion Insert Bit Holder. That little fella raised our attention, cause so many mixed reviews are floating around the internet. The good, the bad, and especially the ugly. According to Makita, the two-piece design is engineered to allow the torsion technology to fully activate and is designed for high torque impact drivers. But let's see how easy the disassembly is. Time for the magnetic collar to show off its power. All in all, the bit holder is helpful for over-the-head and one-hand available situations. The inserted bit got some wiggle room. Therefore, not that recommendable for longer screws. We would rate that bad boy with a 3 out of 5 stars. Handy for some situations and for around $7 on Amazon, not that much room for any regrets.